Unlock the power of your data by easily converting your Excel spreadsheets into a universally compatible format. Let's dive into how to save your Excel file as a CSV. First, open your Excel spreadsheet that you want to convert. Once your data is visible, navigate to the top left corner of the Excel window and click on the File tab. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Save, as this action will prompt Excel to prepare for saving your file in a new location or format. Now, the Save As dialog box will appear. You'll see a field for the file name, which you can change if you wish, and more importantly, a drop-down menu labeled Save As Type. Click on the Save As Type drop-down menu. A long list of file formats will appear. Scroll down and locate the option that says CSV, delimited, and make sure to select the one with the CSV extension. With CSV, delimited selected, you're almost there. Now you just need to choose where you want to save your new CSV file and give it a file name if you haven't already. After clicking the Save button, Excel might present you with a couple of pop-up messages about features lost in CSV format, like multiple sheets or formatting. These are normal for CSV conversion, so simply click OK or Yes to proceed. And there you have it. Your Excel data is now a CSV file, ready to be shared, imported into other software, or used for easy data exchange across different platforms.